As a leader, as a pastor, how do you feel about being in counseling? Well, Jesus, on the night before he's betrayed, sat down with his disciples and said, listen, I'm going to leave and I'm going to send you another counselor, another advocate. I'm going to send you the Holy Spirit, and he's going to guide you into all truth. Well, that's the question I have is, if the Holy Spirit guides us into all truth, which one of us doesn't need to be in counseling? Let's walk together, walk with God, and see what he has for us in the future.